guys, this is Mirsa with WTI, and I wanted to share with you my diffuser. This has been a game changer here in my living room. The living room is a big open space and it fills the room with aromatic oils, and something that I really like about it that it came with 10 different oils, so you were able to choose your favorite, and I really like the aesthetic of it. It's very pleasing to the eye. It changes colors. You can change the color, the setting, the mood that you want. And then it comes with 3 settings. We have a 1-hour setting, 3 and 6-hour setting mist, and I've enjoyed it very much with my family. It brings a relaxing environment, especially coming from work. If we have a stressful day, I turn it on and it has been amazing. It also is very easy to clean, very easy to remove the top. You just pull it up, you're able to clean it, place the water, drop your oils inside, and you have it set up. And this has been a great addition to my house, and this was my point of view.